So we want to make a few changes where we also want to put a subject, right? So I just need to say subject is equal to input. Enter the subject of your email, right? Close the string, and once that is done, all I have to do is what I'm gonna do is, let's say, once my message should include something which I've got from the user. Let's say this is your, instead of saying message, let me call it as email content, and I'm going to append that to the main message. So I'm going to say message is equal to, I'm going to say subject colon, and I'm going to append the subject that I have out here. I'm going to append the subject, and let me say, after appending the subject, I'm going to append the email content. So I'm going to append the email content, and let's say along with the email, so just before the email content, I need to put a \n so as to, give a space. So I'll put a \n plus the email content, and that goes in the message, right? So whatever subject he sends, that's what you get, right? You can also get, you can also append along with this message. You can also say to user also can be put up by saying to space, close it, append the to user, and let's just say plus again a \n, append that, and then you can say plus subject and so on. Is that clear? So with this done, we can just run this up, and so again this time I press the first button. It says, oops, sorry, I need to press that button. Let me press it. Whom do you want to email? I want to say iot.educba@gmail.com. Right, enter the subject of your email. Hi from Raspberry. Hi, enter your email. Enter your email. I'm just checking subject line entry for the email. Okay. Just say and enter. So these three things done, appended in the message, and then of course I'm going to send the email by sending the message. Okay, so let's have a look if things have actually happened, and if it's not, let's see. Okay, see, I got a subject saying hi from Raspberry. Just checking subject line entry, and you can have a look. The to is iot.educba@gmail.com. In the earlier case, there was no to, there was only a BCC. So whatever you send, if you use the to over there, it goes as a BCC. But whomever you want to send it, if you want to send multiple people to, you can send it in the to with commas. You can just space them up with commas, and you can send multiple people the messages. All right. So I'm not gonna log in and check out for now, but this is about what we've done. Okay. Let's also, what we can do is, we'll just do one simple IoT application where we are going to take a sensor and get in, log in a lot of values for that sensor, and then just push them onto the web, right? Push them on as email every 5 seconds, or every 10 seconds, or every 15 seconds. Just push them up, right? Cool. Let's do that. And we should be done with some kind of application as we are done there. Okay.